P for panic disorders. You might have heard people saying that they are feeling panicky or had a panic attack. So let's learn what it exactly means. Panic disorder is something when there are recurring panic attacks which can occur at any time or at any place. A panic attack, during a panic attack, one feels breathlessness or nauseated, they have headaches, they might also feel loss of control, they might feel chilly or feel sweaty. A panic attack can also be described as an intense anxiety occurring without any reason. Panic disorders can be seen in physical, mental, and emotional form, which can be treated through psychotherapy or medication. So seek professional help if you are experiencing any of the symptoms.
P for PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. PTSD is characterized by the failure of recovering from a very tragic or traumatic event in life. The symptoms may include severe anxiety, flashbacks, and nightmare. Generally, the people who go through traumatic events find it difficult initially to cope up with it, but they get better with time. But if the symptoms persist for months or a year, it starts affecting the day-to-day functioning of a person, and a clinical intervention is a must. Traumatic events can range from a death of a loved one to a death of a pet. It can also include natural calamities like earthquake or tsunami, failure in examination, or an act of terrorism.
P for phobia. Phobia falls under anxiety disorders. A phobia is an excessive and irrational fear of an object or a situation. The most common symptoms of phobia are increase in heart rate, palpitations, sweating, dizziness. Specific phobias are the most common types. You may excessive fear lizards, fear of heights, fear of water, needles, dogs, spiders, and many more. At times, experiencing phobia may lead to panic attacks. Counseling and psychotherapy can be very helpful in treating phobias. Relaxation techniques are also very helpful in managing your breathing patterns.
P is for peer pressure. Peers are the people who you socialize with. They can be friends of your age, they can be your classmates, they can be your colleagues, or they can be some people you meet at a party. Peer pressure is when you are influenced by these people's actions and you want to do certain things like them. These things and actions may not be your normal behavior. Peer pressure can be of two types, positive or negative. For example, your friend is in a habit of taking part in sports tournament, and seeing this, you also feel the need to do so. This is positive peer pressure. Example of a negative peer pressure can be if your friend has opened a social media account, and seeing this, you also have an urge to do the same. Some tips to handle peer pressure can be learn to say no, choose your friends wisely, go with your gut feeling. If something doesn't feel right, it is not right for you. Thank you.